All right, you really need to consider your advanced algebra and pre-calculus studies. The parent sine function has a period of 2 pi. If you multiply the x value by pi over 4, which is about 3.14 over 4, so it's smaller than 1, we'll have a horizontal stretch, and the factor will be 4 over pi. Therefore, if you multiply these x values times that horizontal stretch factor, 2 pi times 4 over pi becomes 8. And these are our new values for these critical values. I shouldn't call them critical values. For these places that determine the midpoint, high point, midpoint, low point, midpoint, etc. All right, so they're asking in this problem number 81, to give an estimate for the area bounded by this curve in the x-axis. So we're looking for an estimate of this. Well, no problem. So we'll take a look at the rectangle that it's inscribed in. And that rectangle is a 4 by 1 rectangle, so that's 4 square units. And so this red region will be 4 square units minus the white region. And which option seems the best for that? Well, it's definitely not going to be 2 units. I think we can easily rule that one out because it's a lot bigger. It's pretty close to 4. Now 3 and pi, they're both like really close to 4. If we're just estimating this area, do we really think we have to differentiate between 0.14, 3 and 3.14? So I'm guessing that it's going to be 2.5. And that's a pretty solid guess when you consider that my graph is kind of distorted. Yeah, if this is a 4 by 1 rectangle, it makes sense that that region outside of the curve or above the sine curve is 1.5. Yep, choice B it is.